Hi fifth graders, and welcome to this online video lesson. Today we will be practicing French folk song, the first half of the song, starting from measure 1, the beginning, and going all the way through to rehearsal letter E. This video is made for cello and bass students, so we will be practicing the cello and bass part in this video. Well, let's get started. You know, the feature of French folk song that really sets it apart from all the other songs that we've played so far in strings class is the time signature. So you'll see I have the staff behind me on the board here. At the beginning of the staff, I've drawn a bass clef, and so you always see a bass clef in your songs as well. And a key signature with 2 sharps here. So these sharps tell us that we play F sharp and C sharp in this song. Now after the clef and after the key signature comes the time signature. And the time signature are the 2 numbers that are stacked on top of each other. What you need to remember about the time signature is the first number on the top tells you how many beats there are per measure. And if you take a look right in your song, French folk song, and you look at the beginning of the song, you'll see that we have 3 beats per measure in French folk song. And this is different than all of our other songs. All of our songs previous to this have had a 4/4 time signature, and we've always played 4 beats for each measure. So I think you'll find that the 3/4 time signature, it gives the song a whole nother feel. So a great way to warm up for a 3/4 time signature is simply to play a scale in 3/4 time. And so in this video, we'll practice playing a D major scale. And 3/4 time signature will look like this. So we have 3/4, and it will be 3 quarter notes for each pitch of the scale, right? So it looks like this, and it sounds like this. D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, and so on and so forth, all the way up and down the scale. So let's give it a try. Let's try the D scale in 3s, as I like to call it. Lift up your instrument. Get set with your posture. Make sure you're on the front of your chair, your feet are planted flat, and that you have a tall back posture. Always set good habits by checking your posture before you practice. And then set your bow on D, and we'll start the scale. I'll count us in. 1, ready, go. Good warm up. Let's get started practicing the song. Remember, we're going to be starting at the beginning of the song. We're going to be going all the way through to rehearsal letter E. So make sure you have your music propped up someplace where you can see it well. And let's try it together. As you can see, the first note is D, so set your bow on D. Ready? 1, 2, begin. That was the beginning until rehearsal letter E. This is the same section of the song that you will be playing for your video assignment this week. So my suggestion and preparation for that is to watch the video as many times as you'd like to or as you need to. And also spend some time practicing the song individually without the video. That way you can work at your own pace. And if there's certain spots of the song that are tricky for you, you can take the time to work it out at a slower pace. And then once you feel well practiced and ready, then get your camera rolling and take a video of yourself playing the spot in the song and then submit it through Google Classroom. I'm really looking forward to seeing your submissions and seeing how you're doing. I hope you're staying well. I hope you're staying healthy. And I'll really look forward to seeing you next time on our next video lesson. Talk to you soon, students. Keep up your practice.